Okay, now we're doing Excel BI Challenge 504. I normally like to do like the older ones because they're a little bit easier and therefore I can explain a little bit more. But this seems also to be a little bit to be quite easy. And I thought that we had like a similar task, a similar challenge before. We need to list the presidents whose first characters of all parts of the name are the same. It sounds complicated, but it's quite easy. I will show you how to approach this, and let's see. So, firstly, after it's open here, so what I will do is do like a function that searches for like if all the characters are the same, then I will map it and then I do a filter function over it. So like for this name we do a TEXTSPLIT, and then we do we take a len, so a let, then we have like as an input the name. We split the name with spaces as a delimiter, and here you can see it's like basically the same. It's split it up into different characters. Then I will take from left only the first character, and you see it's a G and a W. For other presidents it's like for James Quincy Adams, never heard. Oh, James Adams, not the middle name, I've never heard. So, and then I'll do something. I may use unique. Yeah, I use unique, and then by call, so like true. And here you have like all the unique names by column. So if it's like James Washington, it's like only one column. And then I'll do like columns to count how many columns there are, equals 2, and then there's equals 1, so equals 1. So, and only presidents with like only one name, with only the same, like Herbert Hoover, there's a true value then. So like Coolidge, Woodrow Wilson, had that one before, and Ronald Reagan, so they are true, the values for them are true. And then I'll use the map function to map all the presidents to get like the same we had quite recently, but with I don't need the let function there. Get quite recently, but as a dynamic array, and then I filter all the presidents after that argument. So only if only if this is true, so all the first characters of all name parts are begin with the same character, with the same letter, then we filter it out. So what I did, so filter that one after that one, and we have like the same list. I think that most of the formulas will look the same if we go to LinkedIn. And see what the others did. Yeah, it's basically the same for most of them. Some of them used regex. I don't have regex right now because I'm on the current version. Here Abdallah did basically the same. Peter did the same here. So nothing special or to learn from the other solutions. See you next time.